Answer this short quiz on place value of a digit in a number in Indian and international systems of numeration. What is the place value of 6 in the given number in Indian system? The answer is 6 lakhs. What is the place value of 6 in the same number in international system? The answer is 600,000. What is the place value of 2 in the given number in Indian system of numeration? The answer is 2 lakhs. Of 2 in the same number in international system of numeration. The answer is 200,000. Did you get that right?